Hi guys, welcome to another brand series of Game Show.
One's a compliment, two's a crap, three's a party coming, move around.
This is your host CM Sneh Yadav with my co-host.
I'm Aryan Jaswal, co-host of today's episode.
So we have a very important guest here. We have one of the strong pillar of student council, Manish, the treasurer, and we have the first elected club head of Mudra, Osamana, and we have all-rounder, you can basically call him, because he's founder of sports club. He was the head of the sports club. He was an ex-Abhinaya member and current Kedarshan head. We have Prateek. Hi guys, welcome to the show.
Hi, Tim. Thank you, Snake.
Hi guys.
Thank you so much.
Hi, Aryan. Thank you.
So today we're going to start a game show round. We're going to have 4 rounds basically. So we're going to go one by one. So the first round is a formal introduction round. So we're going to ask you a few questions, formal questions about your post, about your friendship, or about few things regarding the college. So here we go. The first question.
My question is to three of you. How did you guys meet?
Hey, how do you guys meet and become besties now? Because everyone knows around that you guys are very good friends. So how is it?
Who's gonna start? Do you want me to start?
Yeah, Manish.
Sure.
Okay, so of course, like you guys know, Prateek is a senior, and me and Osam are batchmates. So we met first, like a couple of years before we met Prateek. So ours is a simple story. Like we met on the very first day. Like he was already there in the class. I was searching for a place to sit, and I preferred the last benches, but I was a bit skeptical because it was the first day, you know. So I asked him if there's the place is reserved for somebody. He said no, and then he moved aside. And since then, we've never changed our place. So I think that says it all. And when it comes to Prateek, we met Prateek during one of the events in college, like during Show 2020. So
NAC accreditation.
exactly, I'm sorry, NAC accreditation. In fact, 2019 November. So again, like the way the two of us met, it was very instant with Prateek as well. So we had a couple of mutual friends outside the college also, so that helped. And initially, we got along very well, and it was just very organic and natural. So since then, like during these tough times, you can't meet new people, so you have to do with whoever you have. So even that helped, and yeah, today here we are, I guess.
You guys want to add anything else? Prateek and Osama.
It was not as simple as Manish told. It was my first uh, interaction with Manish was I saw a guy who entered the class and went to the last bench first. Okay, he first checked if the last benches were reserved. He stood there for 2 minutes deciding on which row to sit in. I was like, okay, this guy I will never talk to. Then he came beside me and asked if someone's sitting. I gave him place to sit. Then he asked me my name, obviously, the icebreaker. So when I told him, the first question he asked me was, "Do you have books or guns in your bag?" That's where it all started. Um, yeah. Then Prateek is a cool dude,
He's like a brother to us.
brother to
Senior.
us. It's just a call away all the time. Just a call away. He won't come, but call. Okay.
You want to talk anything about this Prateek, about this friendship?
Yeah, sure. Because during the NAC accreditation, we first met, and it was a vibe we caught. And during shore, we got along very well. And from then, it's still going, and we are staying strong. So yeah, it's lucky to have friends like these. And it's nice actually.
That's
Thank you,
good.
Prateek.
Snape, if you ask me, personally, I've seen three of them many times, like SurePay. Every time they used to hang out nicely. If you want to get the company, you'll feel really crazy enough. I said Manish many times, what is about between you and Osama, your friendship? I've asked them many times, asked Manish also during Kedarshan meets also.
Yeah, absolutely. I've heard this a lot, not only from Aryan, from many people. And what else can you be like? Engineering is like the most important chapter of your life, and when you find friends like this, it is like cherry on the cake, right? So Absolutely. Totally can't agree more with Aryan when it comes to the company.
Oh, thanks, Manish.
చెప్పాలంటే ఒకప్పుడు కాలేజ్ లో కూడా అంటుండే ఒసామా మనీష్ ఒకటే అని. యూ గైస్ యూ షుడ్ డ్రెస్ ది సేమ్. ఒకటే యాక్టివ్ మీద వస్తుండే, ఒకటే డ్రెస్, ఒకటే షర్ట్, సేమ్ కలర్. అరే ఏంది బై
That was
అని అంటుండే.
coincidence,
అరే
okay,
మరి ఇంత
actually.
క్లోజ్ అని.
Coincidence. Not even once did we decide on wearing the same shirt. It was always coincidence.
ఓకే, సో
And
దిస్
what do
క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్ ఫర్
you
Prateek. The next question: how did you form Krida, the sports club, the current sports club?
So the club was actually found before, but the way it was handled and the way it was, taking forward, it was very pleasing to see that because sports in KMIT is, before it wasn't that huge, but when it came to our batch and our junior, it was very enthusiastic and it required modifications in the club. So if Adarsh, the president, stepped up, asked me to step up and completely change it. And yeah, I can't say I found it up, but I can say I've nurtured it very much and I nurture it my life. Sports is something that connects us all. It's very important that we all are serious in some part of physical life. Yeah, that's it. It's very important and it'll remain the same.
Nice one, Pradeep.
Nice,
And
Prateek.
with support of people like us, there's no doubt sports will go a long way, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
My question is to Osama. How do you feel being the first elected Mudra Club head?
Uh, yeah, it obviously feels very nice to be elected by people who you're going to be a part of. Yeah, it was my first ever proper elections, so I was kind of nervous because I didn't know if people wanted me as their head. So, and it was happening for the first time. So it was nice. It was nice to know. It was nice to tell people what I intend to do, and nice to know that people believe in me and my ambitions. Uh, yeah, it's been a very not so good year for us because we were at home and there was not much that we could do. But things that were in our hands, that were in my hands, I did, and I hope people like the way I was.
Nice, bro.
This is for Prateek. Kedarsan head is elected by the student council president. So how do you feel? Like you feel more powerful among all the clubs, like all the other committees?
Being the president is nothing powerful because we don't have that thing of power. We are all doing is just to make content and make people happy. That's what makes create us people happy. We as a team or as a leader never felt powerful or never had these taking advantages of these things. It doesn't feel powerful to be elected by the president. It's normal as other things because it doesn't have any special ability to do something right. But we are trying to, yeah, to be very specific, there's no powerful, same as our plan.
That is really nice.
Okay, my next question is to Manish. What led you to try for the treasurer post in our council?
Honestly, it was the ex-president's motivation, like ex-core council members' motivation. I had my stint in the council for a while by then. So with the lockdown and all, honestly, I wasn't so sure about contesting. But I felt there was a need to add value, like or contribute in whatever capacity I could. So it's always good, right, when you have a team and like you look to build a team culture and contribute. So just wanted to be a small part of the team and whatever required, like whatever it required to do for me to do. So I went about it. It was not exactly about treasure, but I just wanted to be, as I said, a part of the family. So that was something I thought I could do to the best of my abilities. So I did.
Oh, great. We heard your story. Like I've been when we are juniors, like me and Aryan, when we were first year, we had the student council thing, to tell us what posts are what. Every student council that we had, like it may be the all council meeting or the NAC. Every president, it may be the worst or the ex-president or others. They used to tell, I'll call Manish. Listen to his story. He's very good. He was an intern. He didn't give up of the first recruitment. Then he tried hard. He's having a big post now as a deputy treasurer. We used to hear that story.
Yeah, yeah. I've told that story a couple of times. So, like you mentioned, I started as an intern with the PR team. That time there was no SC and PR. There was only one PR. So I started out as an intern with the PR team for 1 month or so. For a 1 month period, and I had a blast. It was absolutely lovely. It was great learning and great fun. However, I couldn't make it into the PR team. So later, like you said, Kedarshan is president-driven and a college-driven committee. So okay, was a president-driven committee. So then, yeah, the president called me up and asked me for my services for Kedarshan. Like I said, I always wanted to be a part of the family, so I said yes. And from Kedarshan, I went on to become the deputy treasurer because obviously again they wanted my services, and I was more than happy to contribute. So and at the same time, I made sure there was no void in Kedarshan as well. So it was a tricky time. Had to manage a couple of things, but yeah, when I look back, it sounds fun. It looks great. It's quite a story to tell. So
Amazing. Okay, Osama, how do you feel about the craze for Mudra in our college?
मतलब जबरदस्त रहता है. Every performance that you give in maybe a group dance,
Obviously.
that thing, every fest, enlightens with your performance of Mudra. How do you feel, getting that craze as a club head?
Yeah, it obviously feels nice, to mentor something that people like so much. Uh, the hype, yeah, obviously it's there because the first emotion that anyone gets about anything, when you're happy, when you're sad, or when you're angry, the first emotion that you get is dance. When you're happy, you dance. For example, Ganesh Chaturthi. Anything you do is team mark for us. So people enjoy seeing what they want to do. So it kind of pushes people also to know that yes, we are here and we are here to share your emotion. Yeah, and about the fests and clubs, yeah, we every club for that matter puts in a lot uh, to bring out the best from us, and yeah, we are doing the same, and it's a constant hustle to do what we do.
That's really great. So, next question. I think you have told this, but I'll ask you again. What led you to try, or like, what led you to the journey from intern to a treasurer now, Manish? How hard it was, what are the difficulties, how did you face, what are the hard ones, what are the recruitment process that you went through?
yeah,
Just
so
tell
how
that.
I look at it is I look at it in two parts. From treasurer to deputy is one story, and from deputy to treasurer was another story because, like you said, I was recruited all the while, right? Until deputy treasurer, I was only recruited or appointed. Like it was because enough people showed their trust and they thought I could do something. They appointed and recruited me. That was very satisfying. Like I said, I had a great time in Kedarshan after being recruited. Learned a couple of things about our college, about our committee, which is helping me now. And in deputy treasurer as well, learned a couple of things about how the core council works, who is meant to do what, and all. When it comes to treasurer, it was the people who elected, and like Osama said, nothing beats the feeling of being elected by people whom you are going to work with, whom you are surrounded with. Okay, so and honesty, without any immodesty, getting the number of votes that I did, it was pretty overwhelming, and it felt the same for quite a while. Okay, so, yeah, like you said, nothing beats the feeling of an elected post. So I would treat treasurer different from the others in my journey because that being an elected post meant a lot to me. And I'm trying to live up to it every day. Let's see how it goes.
Okay, Pratik, this next question is for you. I know it's sad, but I hope you answer this. How do you feel being a Corona batch, being a pass out of this college?
Uh,
Corona batch.
I feel more sad about the juniors which are coming now, because being a fourth year, we don't think we would have been in college much if Corona wasn't there too, because we all had jobs and we go there. But the new people who have come in, I feel very very sad for them, because the first year of their college they're doing it online. No, I don't feel that so better to be have those people there, because first year, the fun we have in college is in the first and second year of our life. Yeah, being a Corona batch is fine, because even if it wasn't there, we weren't in college. It was done. Anyhow.
At least
It
you're
is
not.
more sad for us actually for third years. This was a prime of our college time, and we are wasting it. Not wasting it, but we don't have any
Forcefully.
option.
I mean, we
Full
don't have an option. Yeah.
అని
and
ఉంటుంది కదా ప్రతీక్ అన్న లైక్ లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ బై లాస్ట్ ఫెస్ట్ అవన్నీ మిస్ అవుతున్నాము అని ఏం లేదా?
Yeah. You see, that is there because it feels bad to not have fests and have the same fun which we had 3 years. It feels bad, but yeah, we can't help it. The situation, we can't deny the situation. And yeah, we have to adjust. That's it.
Okay, Manish, Pratik, Osama. In every KMIDN's mind, this a little query comes in their mind. As being a council member, how do you guys manage your council activities and your academics?
the thing why Manish, as far as I know, or I joined the council or council work was to bunk classes. That pretty much answers your question. but yeah, but when we have to study, we do. That is one thing for sure. We don't study all year, but when it's the time or when we have to study before exams, obviously we do, and we get things done. We get things done our own way, and we yeah pretty much manage everything on our plate.
Yes. Yeah. Like I totally agree. Like on the contrary, council was an escape from academics. So if you're going to the council and again being questioned about academics, it kind of doesn't make sense. Like because council was an escape from academics for us. So yeah, that's it. Like Osama's answer was, I guess, on point. Yeah, that sums it up.
సీనియర్ గా ఉండి
Being
ఏమైనా
in
చెప్తారా?
college is different. Yeah, of course, there is no balance between academics and council, because I think at this age, if you start making balance, we won't make memories, if I'm not wrong. And being in council, being a sports head, we used to love playing, so that is why we never made a balance. It is always imbalance. After 4 years is the time to try and make balance.
Amazing.
That's great. So this is the last question in the formal round. We have heard about your friendship, like you three of you. Everyone also knows in the council, and also the council also know who's Osama, who's Manish, and who's Prateek. But this question is there, like Mudra is completely different, Treasure is completely different, and Kedarshan head currently you're the Kedarshan head, so it's completely different. Three different posts. Whenever there's a fest, Manish is completely busy because he's a backbone for a fest. The funding and stuff, and the entertainment part is given by Osama from the Mudra Club, and Kedarshan also handles a major part in the organizing part. So after having these all responsibilities, work, how do you still manage to stick together? Like,
Like you said, each of us like look find a way to add maximum value in whatever we do. So, and I think at the end, the aim of the all three of us is to make an event successful, right? When the aim is the same, it doesn't matter which path you take, you'll always enjoy it. So we sometimes crisscross paths. We help out each other. We do each other's work. So we do some work together, like hang out together if it requires us to do, because all of our aim is same, right? To make the event successful. So that helps out a lot, because when the destination is the same, I think it shouldn't be a problem. So that's how I look at it. And even otherwise, I mean, we are pretty good friends outside the council also, right? Council is just one part of our friendship, like so. Uh, Priorities. That's it.
alright, guys, here is the first round. We're going with the second round, which is known as the Navaras round, the backbone of the game show. We're going with the first segment of Navarasalu. who's most likely? We're going to ask you questions, you guys. Whom it fits the most, tell out the name. Like it may be Pratik, Manish, or someone. Here goes the first question.
Okay, guys. To escape work, who is the proper escape artist here?
Who's most likely to be an escape artist?
Escape artist.
అవునా చెప్పాలి భయ్ ఒక్కరే ఉంటారు కదా ముగ్గురులో
Come on, guys.
Me,
Yeah.
Me?
Manish.
Same.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
escape.
we all
We conveniently
Both of us still in
escape.
the same boat.
yeah, as I told you, we work towards the same goal, so we escape the same work
Same
and
goal.
do the same thing as well.
Yes.
ఓకే సో హియర్ గోస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వి నో అబౌట్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ బట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అనగా అమౌంట్ హ్యాంగ్ అవుట్స్ ఉంటాయి ప్లాన్స్ ఉంటాయి లాస్ట్ మూమెంట్ కి ప్లాన్ ఎవరు డ్రాప్ చేస్తారు
Osama. Pakka.
Osama.
Pratik.
Osama.
ఎందుకు వస్తామా లైక్ 2 words పడి వస్తామా
అంటే ఎందుకంటే లైక్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ there might be some work that has come up, or maybe his dad has given some work or something like that, not with a heavy heart, but then due to some genuine reason. But yes, most of the time, yes.
అవును బికాస్ మీ ఆల్సో వెన్ కేమ్ టు యాజ్ పిఆర్ టీమ్ ఒసామా గురించి మనం అనుకుందామంటే చాలా ప్రైవేటైజ్ అయిపోయిందన్న ఇంట్రోవర్ట్ కే అసలు కోచింగ్ ఇస్తాడన్న ఇట్లా పాత్ర సో అట్లుండే సో ఐ హోప్ దట్ వుడ్ బి ఆల్సో అనదర్ ఆన్సర్ ఫర్ దిస్
Okay.
నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్
Next question. Who's most likely the shy boy here?
బాయ్
Shy boy.
Osama.
Sorry,
Osama.
shy.
Shy in what? Like, no, in what
అన్నిట్లా
sense?
లైక్ అన్నిటికీ అరే ఎందుకురా లైట్ తీసుకో ఏం పోతు ఎందుకు
I think Aryan then.
Aryan, yes. Aryan. Aryan. Yes. We're not shy. If you ask a lecturer specifically, they'll tell you that shy is not a word that,
Comes in your
carry
dictionary.
that.
Don't shy away.
రైట్
Yes, exactly.
అనుకోవచ్చు ఐ థింక్ నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వుడ్ బి మోర్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ చాలా మందికి ఈ క్వశ్చన్ తెలుసు డైరెక్ట్ గా ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ అడతాను లైక్ హూస్ మోస్ట్ ఫేవరెట్ కిడ్ ఆఫ్ దీపా మామ్ ఆర్ యూ కెన్ టెల్ ముద్దు బిడ్డ
Manish.
Obviously, from my side also Manish.
Agree.
ఎందుకు లైక్ కౌన్సిల్ కూడా తెలుసు అరే మనీష్ అన్న అంటే దీపా ఫేవరెట్ కిడ్ ఎందుకు అట్లా అంటారు లైక్ ఒక రీజన్ ఉంటుంది కదా లైక్ ఏంటి అని
Because she knows how spoiled we are.
Not only Manish, Deepa ma'am knows about Manish and Osama. She concludes it with both of them together only.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Same
yeah.
answer. She knows who's the spoiled kid. So,
ఆల్రైట్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్
So, to get caught after lying,
sorry.
who's the person who get caught after lying, unable to execute the plan properly?
అట్లా
Pratik.
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 I don't
Me.
remember one instance when Manish and I decided on something and that didn't happen.
Yeah.
ప్రతి
I'm right, my plan. Oh.
Pratik.
Good. Here goes the next question. Like, తెలుసు సో నేను మీ జూనియర్ కాబట్టి నాకు తెలుసు అంటే సామాన్య మనిషి నుంచి ఎవరికి ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువ ఫాలోయింగ్ ఉంది ఎస్పెషల్లీ గర్ల్స్ మన
Manish.
Manish.
Hey, what?
Manish.
So,
యాక్చువల్లీ ఆన్సర్ వస్తామా రావాలి
Aryan.
Huh?
Actually, Osama రావాల్సిందా?
Arey bro, my god bro.
ఎందుకంటే
Osama.
వస్తామా
Tough
ఎందుకంటే
competition between Osama and Aryan. But if Pratik was in Aryan, then no chance.
Yeah.
None of us have a chance.
లైక్
Pratik?
మేము విన్నాము లైక్ నేను జూనియర్ కాబట్టి విన్నా మనీష్ అనుకుంటా ఒసామా అనుకుండే బేసికలీ ఎందుకు అంటే విన్నాము మీ బ్యాచ్ లో కూడా ఉన్నాము 1 month తర్వాత ఒసామా అనేది స్టాటస్ ఇలా ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ లో ఫాలోయింగ్ ఒక రేంజ్ లో పెరిగిపోయిందట హైట్స్ కి పీక్స్ కి ఇంకా మేము వచ్చాక ఇంకో పీక్ వెళ్ళిపోయిందట అన్న ఫస్ట్ టైం డాన్స్ చూసి అందరు ఫిదా అంట సో దానికి ఏమైనా చెప్తావా సమాన్ ఏమైనా కమెంట్స్ లైక్ హౌ డు యు ఫీల్ హావింగ్
ఎంత
దట్
ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది హైప్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ లో, ఇప్పుడు ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ లేదు.
అంటే అదంటే ఉంటుంది కదా అరే ఎందుకు ఇంత క్యూట్ ఉంటాను నాకే తెలియదు అని
పా. సరేరా.
బ్రహ్మానందం సీన్ ఉంటుంది చూడు అరే ఇంత అందంగా ఎందుకు పుట్టాను రా నేను అని అనుకున్నా ఇంకా నీకు తెలుసు విల్ గెట్ టు నో లైక్ పీపుల్ టాక్ అబౌట్ పక్కా తెలుస్తుంది అట్లీస్ట్ మన ఫ్రెండ్స్ అని చిడాయిస్తారు ఏంద్రా ఇట్లా అని
it was always special when people, complimented you on what you love to do. So it was dance for me because intermediate 2 years, till school I was, yeah, I was an active kid who always participated in everything. But in intermediate, all this IIT thing that all of us had went through, that kind of faded away. So when the first chance that I got to, execute or show something that I like the most, obviously it's nice when people like it too. So it felt nice. That kind of motivated me to do more, and that is exactly why I'm sitting here, because I knew that people like this, and I was getting the feedback that yeah, it was something that people like. So it always feels nice to
That's nice,
sit. Yeah.
So here we end the first segment of the second round. So we're going to enter the second segment, the action Navarasalu. Abhinaya is mostly about drama, emotions. So we have 9 emotions in Abhinaya. So among those 9 emotions, you are 3 people. So you can select any 2 emotions. So we're going to give 1 to 9, numbers between 1 to 9. It should be unique. No one should have repeat of numbers. So who is going first and selecting numbers like from 1 to 9, between 1 to 9? Any 2 numbers.
7.
Huh? 7.
7. 7.
7 and 2 numbers.
Acha, 2 numbers. 3. 3 and 7.
3 and 7.
One and four.
1 and 4. Pratik.
Pratik,
5 and 3.
3 is done. 3 is done.
Okay, 5 and 5.
5 and 5.
You can't repeat. You have different
Okay, repeat number is for the now. 89. 8 and 9.
8 and 9. Okay. So why I've asked you to select a number between 1 to 9 is we have 9 emotions. That is why it's called Navarasalu. So you have people selected your numbers and we have got our emotions. So this round is we're going to see your acting skills. So that's straightforward.
chalo.
Straightforward acting skills. It's a bit easy. To be honest, it's a bit easy. Enduku it's easy ante we call upon our guest here basically and give a language that people don't know. లైక్ ఒకవేళ హిందీ ఫ్లూయెంట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు తెలుగు వస్తున్నాయి. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి ముగ్గురికి 2 భాషలు వస్తాయి, తెలుగు వస్తుంది, హిందీ వస్తుంది, ఇంగ్లీష్ వస్తుంది. ఇక మీకు బిట్ ఈజీ. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే మేము ఒక మూవీ డైలాగ్ ఇస్తాం. మూవీ డైలాగ్ మీరు యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇమోషన్లో చెప్పాలి. ఆ ఇమోషన్లో కాదు, ఉన్న యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డైలాగ్ కాదు, మేము ఇచ్చిన ఇమోషన్లో చెప్పాలి. సో మాకు ఆ ఇమోషన్ కనిపిస్తే యూ గెట్ అ పాయింట్. ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ సీ అన్ ఎమోషన్ యూ గెట్ నో పాయింట్. సో హియర్ స్టార్ట్స్ ద పాయింట్స్ టేబుల్. సో బీ కేర్ఫుల్. ఇట్స్ అ బిట్ కాంపిటేటివ్. ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ అంతా ఒక్క 1 hour పక్కకు పెట్టేసేయండి. ఇక్కడ నుంచి కొంచెం సీరియస్ ఓకేనా? సో మై co-anchor Aryan is going to
Okay.
tell you this.
Pratik, you will be the first. I think you will execute this because you are a perfect all-rounder. Okay, Pratik, you have to do this. युद्ध में सैकड़ों को मारने वाला नायक कहता है, मगर किसी एक की भी जान बचा ले वो भगवान है. You have to get this emotion. It's called Veera.
In courage, Veera. The proud
Courage.
छाती लेपी वेपी.
और युद्धों में सैकड़ों की जान लेने वाला नायक है, लेकिन एक की भी जान बचाने वाला भगवान है.
ఇద్దరే చెప్పాలి. ఇమోషన్ కనిపించిందంటే పాయింట్ వస్తుంది, లేదు అంటే ఇక మీకు రాదు.
क्वेश्चन नंबर देने का
లైక్ ఇఫ్ ప్రతి ఒకవేళ కరెక్ట్ గా ఇమోషన్ ప్లస్ డైలాగ్ చెప్తే 2 points, ఇమోషన్ లేదు కానీ డైలాగ్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ చెప్తే 1 point. మీరేమంటారు ఒసామా ఇంకా మనీష్?
Pratik 1. Pratik 1.
1 గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ప్రతి కన్నా కూడా వస్తాడు మీకు టైం టర్న్ ఉన్నప్పుడు. సో నెక్స్ట్
I said 3.
Okay. Second
going with
dialogue.
1 point Pratik. First thing, ఇంకో సెకండ్ డైలాగ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ద సాడ్ ఎమోషన్. రాబిన్ హుడ్ టు డూ సాడ్ ఎమోషన్.
स्टार्ट अच्छा చెప్పొచ్చా?
చెప్పు.
मैंने स्टार्ट हमें यहाँ के रॉबिन हुड पांडे.
Yeah, we can give him 2.
Okay. Chalo, nice.
Okay. So that was good, Pradeep. So we have next, the great actor. We're going to go with Manish because among Osama and Manish, we thought going with Manish because he is treasurer. He's first, strong pillar. So
I've been
Manish,
acting since quite a while now in the council. Chalo.
okay. చాలా ఈజీ డైలాగ్. ఇంకా తెలుగు సో నో వరీస్ నీకు. నా వల్ల ప్రాబ్లం అయితే నేను వెళ్ళిపోతా. సింపుల్ డైలాగ్, జాతి
Acha,
రచన.
ये dialogue. Okay.
Okay. So you have to do it in the laughter emotion, in a happy, very, very, very happy emotion. 3, 2, 1, go.
నా వల్ల ప్రాబ్లం అయితే నేను వెళ్ళిపోతా.
That is easy and good. I liked it. I can give him 2 points. What do you feel like
Exactly.
Pratik kind of?
2 points.
I also give myself 2 points.
It does.
Okay, the next dialogue is with anger. Okay, you have to go with anger emotion.
కనిపించే 3 సింహాలు ధర్మానికి, న్యాయానికి, చట్టానికైతే కనిపించే 4వ సింహం అగ్నికి.
Yeah.
3 నాకు దీనికి 3.
Very much like this.
What do you feel like Prasad and Pratik? 2, 2.
2.
What about if it's a tie? No
We'll have
dares,
tiebreakers.
everything cancelled. No dares, everything cancelled.
If it's a tie, we'll give them a dare.
No, we'll have a tiebreaker. We have our security reasons. We'll be ready for everything. Okay, Osama. Being a good dancer and a great dancer, we just want to see your emotions, acting skills. We have few beautiful Telugu famous dialogues for you. I'm going to share you that. And the emotions that you have selected is wow, Shantam and horror, like terrified. Like, or you get terrified, no? Like horror movies, people get terrified. That one and Shantam. Peace. Peace is obviously no. Shantam. మామూలుగానే నువ్వు చేస్తేనే శాంతం అది పీస్.
నేను టెరిఫై చాలా లేకపోతే ఐ షుడ్ యాక్ట్ లైక్ ఐఎమ్ టెరిఫైడ్.
You should act like you're terrified. Okay. The famous dialogues are like కత్తందుకో జానకి, and another one is కమిషనర్ కూతుర్లకు పెళ్ళవవా ముగుళ్ళు రారా. That one. Okay. Easy dialogues.
I'll do the Shantam first and then Adbhuta. Is it fine?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. కత్తందుకో జానకి
क्या रे वो?
terrified.
प्रतीक नहीं दिया तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. मैं तो दे देता हूँ.
तूने किसको बोला रे डायलॉग वो?
terrified हूँ मैं किससे भी यहाँ पे. तेरे को मेरी शक्ल से मतलब है ना.
कितना देर आप बोल रहे प्रतीक?
1.
Manish.
Nice. Okay.
Next dialogue.
1.5 आए थे. हाँ चलो आए थे. కమిషనర్ కూతుర్ని చెప్తే భయపడిపోతామా? కమిషనర్ కూతురని ప్రేమించకూడదా? కమిషనర్ కూతుర్లకి మొగడు రారా? శాంతం పీస్ పీస్
కనిపించిన పాయింట్.
कितना देर प्रतीक? आउट है.
अरे तू डायलॉग बोला. अरे तू डांसर है, कितना अच्छा बोल रहा है डायलॉग. फेस एक्सप्रेशन नहीं, ऐसा बोल रहा बस.
अरे पीस
प्रशांत बोलने नहीं रहा है.
पीस का एक्सप्रेशन कैसे रहता है?
अरे पीस बोले तो शांति से बोलना है उसको.
उन्हें देख वाइट पहना पीस बोले तो.
So guys, here we end our round 2, the Navasal round. So the points table is here. Like Manish is leading with 8 points, and Pratik and Osama are having 6 points each. So let's see who's going to break this tie in the next round. So let's go to the third round, Manoranjan round. So in this Manoranjan round, we're going to have a game. So being the strong pillars, like we are with this game called Tongue Twister, but the twist in this game is a bit small. Like we'll give you 3 tongue twisters. If you tell below 30 seconds, you get 3 points. If you tell more between 30 to 45 seconds, you get 2 points. Between 45 to 60 seconds, then you get 1 point. So my co-anchor Aryan will send you the tongue twisters. Who's going first? Like Darvish, who's going first?
The lead scorer.
The lead. Okay. So Aryan send Manish his tongue twisters. So I'll start the timer when you're ready. So let's see. It should be perfect. Every word should be perfectly pronounced.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? If you must cross a course cow across a crowded cow crossing, cross the course cow across the crowded cow crossing carefully. Something in a 30-acre thermal thicket of thorns and thistles hummed and thundered, threatening the 3D thoughts of Matthew the Thug. Although theoretically it was one of the only 13,000 thistles and thorns through the underneath of his thigh that the 30-year-old thug thought of that morning.
Great. You get 1 point. Alright, guys. Manish has done his tongue twist is great. So he gets 1 point because he has done more than 45 seconds. So it was a rule. So Osama is going next. I think he's safe. He's going at last. No, you can give up. Boom. Last shot. Let's see how does Osama do it.
Betty Botter bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. If I put it in my batter, it will make my batter bitter. But a bit of butter will make my batter better. So it was better. Betty Botter bought a bit of butter batter. She sells on the seashore.
Better,
The
better,
shells
better. You missed the word better.
better.
Repeat. You
Repeat,
lose 1 point. Come on, fast.
Aisha.
Next.
She sells seashells on the seashore. The shells she sells are seashells, I'm sure. And she sells seashells on the seashore. Then I'm sure she sells seashore shells. I wish to wish the wish you wish to wish. But if you wish the which wishes, I won't wish the wish you wish to wish.
Alright, you get 2 points. Great.
How?
Now,
He's done it.
I had
He's done it in like 45 seconds. You get
No,
2
but then
points. He missed
no
1 point.
2 points. No 2 points. वो मेरा टाइम भी खाया था उन्होंने तो मेरा जल्दी हुआ था.
Already. Pratik is going next. Going 3, 2, 1, go.
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck chuck would? He would chuck he would as much as he could, and chuck as much as wood as a woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood. Yellow butter, purple gel, red jam, black bread, spread it thick, say it quick. Yellow butter, purple jam, red jam, black bread, spread it thicker, say it quicker. Yellow butter, purple jelly, red jam, black bread. Don't eat with your mouth full. Can you can a can into uncan can like a canner can a can into uncan can?
Alright. You also get 2 points, Pratik. So you have done it below
2
45.
points.
2 points.
How, bro?
నువ్వు ఒక్కనే 47 seconds కి చెప్పినావు.
Cheating.
Osama 38, Pratik 39. So it's like వాళ్ళది కదా. So atla 2 points.
Okay, I'm still first. No.
You're still first. So I'll just tell the points. Manish is leading with 9, Osama with 8, and Pratik with 8. So it's simple. Don't worry, there's another round. Let's see. So this round is to see who's a great artist. So we're going to see your drawing skills here. If you have a pen and paper, just grab it quick. My co-anchor Aryan is going to send you a few words. You should draw that. If people guess it, you get 2 points. If they don't guess it, then the person who's drawing gets 1 point. Simple.
Dictionary.
And you can't cheat because we know what words are we giving you. You should draw it accurate. So be careful. And we give you 2 minutes. Go grab a paper and pen so that it'll be easy for the competition. Small twist in this round. We have divided this round into 3 small segments. That means for every word that we give carries a mark. Like the first word that we send has 2 marks. If you draw and someone's guess, like you get 2 points. If they don't guess, you get 1 point. That's regular. The second word that we send carries 3 points. So if that guy draws and you guess it, then you get 3 points. The last word is having 5 points. So if you guess it, you get 5 points. So careful. So my co-anchor Aryan is going to send you the first word. So you have 2 minutes. Just draw it and show it. Whoever guesses it, you get 2 points. If they don't guess it, you get 1 point. So that's simple. So Aryan.
Okay, I'll execute it.
I think
Okay.
Osama is ready. If you're ready to guess it, just guess it.
Let's
Pratik,
get it. Oh,
Lighter.
oh,
Lighter.
oh.
Lighter.
Pratik guessed it. So
Fine.
Pratik gets 2 points.
Asha, bloody hell. Arey, I guessed it.
Who guessed it?
Arey, you can rewind.
Manish guessed it.
Pratik,
Achha,
you want
so-
to give it to Manish?
So the artist won't get anything, but the people who guess it will get.
Yes.
If we can't guess it, you'll get a point.
You get a point.
Sure.
Bro, I get 2 points now. I am on 11.
1 second. I think I've read the rules now.
Yeah,
I think
please.
people who draw it gets the 2 points. If people who guess it gets the 1 point. So it's
Okay, so I'm on 10 now.
yeah.
I'm on 9.
9. You're on 9. So guys, that is a wrong misconception. People who draw it gets the point, and people who guess it gets the 1 point. So it's a small misconception. So first round is done for Osama. Osama is done. So Manish, you going next or Pratik is going next?
You go next, sir.
You can go next. Oh, you gave them the complete.
ए, नहीं दिख रहा प्रतीक, नहीं दिख रहा.
You gave
मेरे को
them
तो नहीं
the
दिख रहा.
complete.
पैकेज
नाम सुन, नाम देख.
He gave the clear hint, bro.
C plus plus हाँ.
Oh, bro. Sir, please, sir, यहाँ मत.
ब्रो वेट, दिख रहा नहीं रे ठीक से.
Second
भी नहीं दिख
Manish
कुछ
Sharma.
कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा.
अरे दिख रहा नहीं, कौन सा देखना रे?
ये वाला.
तो और ऐसे कर,
That is easy.
सामने कर और
That is very easy.
मैसेज मैसेज.
No.
Heritage cow.
Read the word present there.
Heritage cow.
What do you get?
Percentage. Heritage cow.
Heritage
Milk
cow.
packet.
Heritage cow. Milk packet.
Oh, Manish stole it first. So
Manish.
Manish gets 2 points and Pratik gets 2. Osama gets 2. So I think you're next, Manish.
Look at this.
Bottle. Tupperware. Water bottle.
Water bottle.
Pratik told it first.
I'm on 13.
Uh,
I'm on 13.
13.
So what's the points table like?
13. So you told it 2. From 8 you get 2. 10 points. Osama is on 10 points. Pratik you also on 10.
नहीं ఇప్పుడు ఒకటి చెప్పినా కదా నేను.
You're 11. So you're 11. You get 11.
మనీష్ 11 అనుకుంటా. 13 days
Hey,
అనుకుంటా.
hello. I got 2 points for guessing Pratik's and Osama's and 2 points for mine.
Yes. So if
अच्छा हाँ ओके.
you get 1 point, if you draw it perfectly, you get 2 points. So next word is consisting 3 points. If you draw it perfectly, you get 3 points. If you guess it, you get 1 point. That's it. So
I'll forward you the words.
the tie is broken. I think there can be another tie. Pratik is coping up the points table.
Pratik is second.
I'm okay with tie breaking. I'm okay.
Nobody wants
completely,
second, bro.
I'm completely fine with tie breaking.
Nobody wants second.
Okay, guys, I'll forward you the words. You have to draw this. Draw it.
I think Manish already drew this, so he can
Manish,
sit.
already you have done.
Yeah, so I'll show. Wait.
Yeah,
can
yeah.
show. Just see
Yeah.
this.
Cat.
I told first.
Pratik was, I think Pratik.
Pratik was first.
Happy.
I'm on 16.
Happy.
Yes.
I'm on 16.
Yes,
Oh,
Manish.
16? Yeah, 16, right. 16. Yeah, 3 points, 16. Pratik is on 12.
Should I show?
Yes,
Yeah.
Osama, check it. You can do it.
नाम पर.
Nail polish.
No,
चल बे.
no.
नाम पर.
Lip gloss, lipstick, lip gloss.
नया नाम.
No.
Lip balm.
No.
अरे
Manish, you have only 1 point left. And one
Life
chance
boy.
left.
Sanitizer.
Osama got it.
Late 14. Osama.
Hey,
11,
14 क्या है? What the hell, Snehi?
3 points no.
You
11
do it
14.
correct. You guys didn't guess it now, so it was you. Osama guessed it. So Osama
No,
gets
no.
11. You're leading now. Why are you worried? You're leading. Who's leading?
What
here?
are the scores? 16,
I'll tell
16?
you. Osama is on 11 currently.
Mhm.
Pratik is on 15.
14. 11 plus 3.
3 points. 12 plus 3. So it's 15.
अच्छा, you
11.
Okay.
I think you have to be a bit careful with Pratik because you're 16 and he's 15.
अच्छा, my turn.
Okay.
Wallet.
Fridge.
बोल दिया रे.
Pratik first. Pratik told first.
Yeah, okay. So, tie, no? Between me and Pratik.
Yeah, Pratik and you, it's time. So it's time between
I am
Pratik.
13.
No, you are on 12. You guys, you get 1. No, you.
3
No,
points.
no.
Yes,
You
three.
told 3, 4. Yeah, correct. You were on
14.
11. You get 3
11.
points. That is 14.
It's 14.
He's on 14, bro.
14.
14.
And Pratik and Manish. The last round. This should be a tiebreaker. So, it is a bit hard also. So it's okay.
So I'll forward you the diagrams.
If the diagram is not good and we don't think that's the diagram, it suits. So you won't get 5 points. So draw it carefully. But people guess it after you don't draw it properly. They get 2 points, but you don't. So that's the twist.
Bloody hell.
This word is very tough. You can't draw this word. I am betting you can't. Even Akashan can't draw this. It takes time for Akash also to draw. So,
We have time now. We'll draw.
alright, guys. We have given them the words. This is the last round. They have 5 points each. Osama is ready. I think Manish and Pratik, you want to just see and answer it. You get 1 point. You know, every point carries you. Just look.
Rocket.
Pencil, pen.
No, you have only 2
Eye
chances for
pencil.
Manish. What did you tell Pratik?
Eye pencil.
No. What is that eye pencil? Sorry.
I.
If you want Osama, I can give them a hint. If you don't want, I won't give them a hint.
Yeah, hint. Eye was the क्या बोलते हैं यार?
Uh,
Eye drops है अभी.
No.
Eye drops.
No.
I pull.
You have gone. Manish, your turns are over. Pratik, you
Oh,
have only
what?
1 turn left. Careful. Check
No,
it.
what are
Hint.
his turns?
3 turns. You have 3 chances. You have used your 3 chances.
Nobody told me.
Don't care. You can't guess it. I'm telling you.
Somehow
You
we
can't
have
guess
an
it.
hint, no?
Okay, you want, you take another 2. You can't guess it. I'm betting you.
Can we give them a hint, Snakes?
No.
Yeah.
Osama Nas. It is Osama Nas' wish. You know, if he wants, you can give him it.
Yeah, give them.
Give them. Okay. Girls use it the most.
I.
Wow.
Who told it first?
Manish.
Me, obviously.
Same time बोले रे मनीष. eyeliner की बात ले रहे.
Osama.
I don't know.
Oh, you
Hey,
can't.
what then? No. This is cheating. You can rewind the video.
I think Pratik told point to
No point.
seconds late. Point 2 seconds late.
Okay,
Manish is
wow.
supporting you. He's supporting you. He's told
Point
Pratik
2
told 2
seconds
points.
late.
2 seconds late.
Point 2 seconds late.
अब बोल बोल रहे
देखो बोला तुम लोग की मर्जी. It's up to you guys. Snake. I don't
I
know.
take off my point. I don't know.
Okay, let's give them equal points, 1 each. If you're okay, Osama, we can give that.
Both are
also.
17.
Yeah, fine.
I've drawn 2, okay, because they come in 2 models. This is one model, this is another model. Okay.
Hair dryer. No.
Huh?
Hair dryer.
यार कुछ नहीं दिख रहा.
No, not
Bring it a bit close. A bit close.
कुछ नहीं दिख
So
रहा.
these two, bro, they come in 2 models.
अरे नजदीक लेके यार.
थोड़ा नीचे कर मनीष. हाँ, fine.
चार्जर हाँ.
No,
मोबाइल चार्जर.
no. You both lose 1 turn. Careful, you have 2 more chances.
Bro, they
You
come
have
in 2
4.
models, bro. This is one model and this is another model.
He gave you hint already, so he's giving you hint. He's giving you the first shot.
I've drawn 2 diagrams.
What's your
Okay.
first diagram? You'll
Okay, let
understand.
me clarify this doubt also. This part here, which is not there here, is the liquid, bro. This is liquid. That is not
All
there
out
here.
हाँ.
He did. Pratik gets it.
So okay, I get 5. Pratik gets what? 1, 2.
2. Pratik gets 2.
1, no?
He told 2. This one and that one. Your one, we are giving both
No,
of them 1 point.
bro. Eyeliner, I told.
We're giving both of you 1 point.
Acha, chale.
Same.
Okay, so I'm on 22 now.
Yeah.
22, 21 and whatever. I don't care.
No, how 21? अरे उसके 5 points नहीं आए रे उसको. अभी वो
He's on 2. If he gets, he's leading. The point is
Second position, no? Pratik is in second, no? That's all I want.
now he's on second.
Then okay.
Bro, someone let's not guess. Let's not
हम
guess.
आएंगे. देख लो.
पूरे wrong बोलेंगे चलो.
Guess नहीं करेंगे.
Okay.
Rocket,
I'm telling you now, he gave a detailed description about it.
rocket.
Cricket bat.
Tree देख रहे tree.
Cricket bat. iPhone.
No. You
iPhone
can't.
है? Over.
कहाँ से cricket bat लग रहा bro?
That's clear, you know. We give them 5
Okay,
points.
so
Newton?
on the
Newton?
tree there's a guy.
Not a guy. I'm giving a hint. Not a guy.
Monkey.
Yeah.
हाँ, correct.
Shit, tree.
So Pratik and me are tie again.
Oh no, he's leading. He's 24.
How bro?
Second Manish.
Sharp.
How bro? Hey, cheating करे.
कैसे cheating रे? बोल मेरे 5 points आ गया. कितना था मेरे 18 था. 23
ये
था.
round में अपन को equal points आए.
5 plus 2.
हाँ मेरा ज्यादा है ना point अभी.
इसका 5 plus 2 हुआ, तेरा 5 plus 1 हुआ.
Ah.
अच्छा क्यों 5 plus 1 हुआ मेरा?
ठीक है,
You
guess नहीं किया
guessed
बोल
one.
के.
You
अभी
guessed
तो
one.
guess
अभी
नहीं
guess नहीं
किया.
किया ना.
अरे अभी तू गेस करा, तेरे को पॉइंट मिला, प्रतीक
हाँ
को क्या
गेस
आया?
करने का भी पॉइंट मिलता है ना बच्चा।
एक तो 5 है उसके।
अच्छा मत किया।
All out one, all out and eyeliner. He gets 2. So he get 2 points. 23 now.
अच्छा, ओके.
Alright,
And
guys.
second one.
Over. It's over.
We are doing it this
Manish gets the dare.
अच्छा.
It's kind of serious.
Alright, guys. That was very intense. There's a lot of ties going on. But at last, Pradeep pulled it up. He was at the bottom of the skill points table. First now with 23 points. Unfortunately, Manish was leading till the last moment. But
This
he's
is not
second now.
sportsman spirit, bro. Third person didn't compete only. He should get the dare.
Asha, I'm getting no anyways. You'll give me no.
He'll get a dare. He'll get a dare.
I'll give it a dare.
And Osama, I think it may be a bit safe play or something. He's getting a dare from his friend, so he's at 20 points. So here ends the great rounds of all 3 rounds. So let's go quick and let's go with the dare round. Prateek, in the game, so there's a saying that who comes first is the king of the show. So you're the king of the show. You can give a dare to Osama. Any dare, any level of dare, you can give it to Osama.
Prateek.
Pratik.
I would like to give a dare after you give it to Manish.
Yeah, Manish, we would give Manish a dare.
पिला
No
तो
problem.
घर में पिला तो.
Pratik.
Alright,
Ready,
guys.
ready.
Manish, are you ready to do any dare? Or okay, so we'll give you a thing because the president video that got so hit, people got to know that Abhinay is giving dare. There's one thing that we can help you with. You either go with dare or tell the truth.
Truth, bro.
Oh, bro.
I love Abhinaya for this. Truth.
We have a PR team. We have gone through the PR team. We have scanned every level. The episode that we planned it for 2 weeks so that our PR team will sit together and get to a detail. The
Yeah,
question
no.
is going to be real solid. We need a real solid question. If we don't think the question that we are asking, the answer doesn't match the question, you go with a
Okay.
dare. So
Sure.
it's up to you. You have to answer it very precise. The
Sure.
question here is
Okay. These people can also judge whether the answer is right or no. Correct?
yes. If
Okay, cool.
being the anchors, if we feel the answer is not right, you are obviously going to do a dare.
Okay, sure.
The dare is not simple. You have to do a dare if the question is not right.
Sure.
The question is going to be real hard solid. What are your views or your opinions on OC? I need the real answer because we know what are your opinions. You have to be honest here, a real honest. What are your real opinions on OC and the members in that, or the working, or anything in the OC? You have to have a clear answer because Pratik and Osama are also batch holders. Aryan and me are also batch holders. Except that our PR team also found out a very beautiful answer, and we love to hear it from your side. So, what is your opinions and views on OC?
Firstly, like I am absolutely okay with answering about a particular committee. So yeah, to start off with, see, on paper, it is a committee which has a lot of potential. Okay, like its agenda suit our college culture, organizing events and all, which was not there so far. On paper, as a committee, as the agenda, it has a lot of potential. But this was about OC. Like all of us know, it's a core committee, so we have to respect that. But you asked me about members. So see, even after 200 years, if you come to Game Mighty, OC will be there. But it is the members who run it every year. Okay. So the state of OC or state of any company is decided by the members. Okay. They are the ones who sell the product. It is like you have a lovely product, but the salesmen are not good. Okay. That's exactly what I feel is the case here. Okay. There's a lovely product, but the salesmen are not good. Okay.
What do you mean by
to
the
be-
salesman is what Pratik and Osama are just thinking even means?
Salesman product.
No, yeah, you guys are not letting me finish my answer. I'm not going to do a dare if this is the case.
Okay.
So, yeah, so see, now, like, yeah, so when I said salesman, I'm obviously talking about the committee members, right? So, see, when it comes to second year committee members, they are a very exciting bunch, okay? So, like, they have a lot of potential. Let's not get into exceptions, but yeah, most of them, the current second years, are a very exciting bunch. coming to the senior members, I guess we could have done without them. Like honestly, that is one thing that the council could have avoided. And because you're asking me, I'm not really fond of them, the senior members in the committee. Yeah, we could have done without them. That could have been avoided.
So these are your
I
views.
think it would be a better place without them.
Okay, so these are reviews about the OC, and that's the honest thing or the truth. Do Pratik and Osama, do you think he told the truth?
Yes, completely, absolutely right.
All right, that was real, exciting, and dare. We are, I don't know if I can tell this or not. That was an answer with balls, so it's okay. Pratik, there's no this thing, Osama. You can't skip
No,
because
I mean, I want the not only agree, but if these people can add something, you guys tell me, do those people like, do we need them? Like, they are asking a personal opinion, right? We are not passing judgments here. They are asking us, we have all the right to answer. Do you think we need them? Juniors are an exciting bunch, dude. I have no doubts. But then the seniors in the committee, what do you guys think?
Yeah, I think the same. You're asking me?
Both of you.
he's asking.
Yeah, so yeah, I think the same. I think when we recruited them for a reason. Then other people or the senior members coming in without any proper process or without the what we went through. We just didn't take them on the basis of nothing, right? We went through a short process just to be able to recruit people who add value to the team, who add value to the council.
That harmony is being disturbed now.
Yeah, just on the basis of prehistory or because they were part of it and they left it and then they joined again. It just shows how in a way partial it is because as per their convenience they are into it. When they didn't feel like they were not, now they are feeling like they are in. I think I completely
Like,
agree.
on a whole, I can tell you on behalf of many
honest?
people, we could have done without them.
I think
We as in, I consider all of us as one. So it is not like your committee, my committee, you, me, and all. We could have done without them.
I think
To be really
Pratik,
honest,
you are the one who
OC
recruited, right? You were there. I think you were there in the recruitment process when the Manish was telling about the salesperson. What do you think about that? You give your views also because they both have given their honest
uh,
views.
OC, this team of OC which is there is like a body without heart and soul. There's nothing in it, but just it's going on. There is no the thing which was there last semester or last team. It's no heart and soul, so there is no interest in what they're doing. That's it. Nothing
Yeah.
else.
So like again, I repeat, the second year members, the second year bunch is a lovely bunch. They have a lot of potential. But
Their
yeah,
potential,
so
their potential has been shadowed or in a way blocked.
overshadowed.
Because I don't find any difference between OC and any club now. Yeah, there is a difference because we club members include our club members, the club heads
There is a
include our club
difference.
members.
There is a difference because we are compelled to feel that way. It is written on the hierarchy. That's the only difference.
That's the only difference because I personally, if I talk about my club, I involve my club members on whatever decisions I take or whatever it is. In my opinion, I don't think that's what's happening there because it's one single body or two people and seven other members who take the decisions and work. It shouldn't be like that. There should be one body that gives commands, and the remaining members, just that's not the point of OC. As long as I know, I've seen this council, I've seen this college for 3 years now. I know what things work and how they do, and I don't think the way it is now, is it close to what OC should be.
That was like I feel like you guys are being more experienced. Like I know all of your stories. You've been in many
Now we
parts.
are banking on you to not edit any of this and make people feel good.
It's not that it is your honest views. By the way, we're not going to edit this because more than us you guys know because Pratik has been in many parts and you've been from a deputy treasurer to treasurer and you've seen you are a golden batch member and Osama has been also a long time. He's also been in recruitment process. I think you guys might have speaking truth. I think people who have seeing this will have know the real fact of this thing.
I got away with the dare, so worth it.
Yeah, even my day should be.
Osama, unfortunately, I'm telling you the other saying again. The game show has a saying that who comes first is the king of the show. I think the king should decide that. It's a dare.
Pratik,
I think you should give the
Okay,
dare.
Truth or dare,
see,
दोनों मिलता है.
see, Osama, okay. I was asked the question, so I had to. What explanation do you have? You chose to answer on your own.
Yeah.
But
So
that
what
is
is
not
the
under
Why
explanation
your
is the
do I have?
canon.
Pratik cancelled?
That is not under your canon. Okay, if you want Pratik, I can help you with the dare if you want.
Yeah.
Like switch on the audio. Send an audio message where you
Orgasm.
Orgasm, macha. Orgasm sounds.
I think
And
Osama, you
catchy.
I think you can do this. You can give it a great
Jaldi
So
shot.
I have to tell oh yeah, choke me.
Yeah.
और वो भी पूरा ऐसे फील में.
Feel में
Audio है ना, audio है ना,
Dancer
मुझे
feel.
feel है. हाँ, okay.
Senorita feel आना.
Okay. Ready?
नाचते नाचते
क्या
बोलता
Okay,
होता
3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
Oh yeah, choke me.
मेरे को तो कुछ नहीं आया मैसेज.
आंधे आंधे reloaded में क्या आता है?
Right.
Reloaded का स्कूल रूट में डाल. Reloaded.
Lovely.
अच्छा reloaded अच्छा. अरे reloaded में डाल.
अरे bro, reloaded video become repetitive bro. You guys are not understanding.
Reloaded. You want reloaded?
अरे reloaded
Why-
समझ
why
में
are-
आ जाता रे.
Why are people so free? Why are people so free? 20 लोग देख
Reloaded
लिए.
में forward कर रहे हो उसको. मनीष forward कर रहे reloaded में.
Reloaded में डाल.
अरे हावले मैं फॉरवर्ड करे तो मेरा वॉइस सोचते हैं.
हाँ.
अरे
Osama bro.
अरे reloaded में it will become repetitive bro. You guys are not
It was easy.
understanding.
See, Osama, my dare was easy. You think my dare was easy.
Yes.
Doing the
Please,
hit
macha.
challenge is very,
Please,
very.
I don't care anyways. चलो.
Okay, guys. I think if you guys heard the audio,
अरे
it is
जमीन
great.
आया है sama highlight आया.
I think if you heard the audio, I think you know why.
अरे हावले आर्यन
20 points
मेरे
हो Osama.
डेरेबल के.
मैं हटा दूं. I'll delete it.
रहने दे अब क्या है.
Delete.
I
अरे
delete
नहीं,
it.
पूरे you spoil the stuff. Okay.
Okay.
क्लास ग्रुप में बैटिंग स्टार्ट हुआ.
मैं खोल रहे हैं. I'm not even opening my class group for 2 days now.
Okay.
कौन सा क्या मतलब कौन सा थे?
Alright, guys. This was the consequences they have faced. The second, who's come second and who's come third. Alright, guys. Here ends the enjoyment, fun stuff. But game shows also shows a bit of seriousness also. That is in the round 4 of controversial. We ask few questions of controversial questions. Our PR team does a small investigation on the guests that we call on. It's mostly on the student council. We have today the golden batches and the most experienced people in the council. So we have found out few questions, or real controversial questions. I think you can answer it in the good way or in the hard way. It is your wish. So this round is up to you. The questions we are going to ask, it's just 2 questions. If you want to answer it, you can answer it in the hard way or the easy way. So my co-anchor Aryan is going to ask first question to Manish.
Okay, Manish, my question is to you. You were the first person in second year to hold the golden badge of the council. Do you think you were up to it?
See, like, yeah, like you said, I had the privilege to hold the golden badge among the second years, but I don't think I am the best judge of myself. You guys should tell me if I've lived up to it. But one thing I can promise is I have given my 100%. I'll continue to give my 100%. I'll try and give my best, no matter what, for the council. But so far, whatever work I have done has, like, I have been faced with obstacles like the college being online. When I say that, when the college is online, most of the things happen and most of the people go about things hiding behind a screen. Okay, so there's nothing much you can do about it. So no matter who you are, like even if it's a normal badge or a golden badge. So one thing I can promise is if and when the college is offline, I can do much more. I can add much more value than I currently am. That one thing I can promise from my side. So far, how I have been, that you guys should judge. I can't be my judge, right? So that's it. Yeah, but like I said, yeah, it's a privilege to hold a golden badge in the second. No doubt.
That is like, I think you have justified many people's questions. Like, yeah, that you have satisfied. That's great. So we'll move on to Prateek. I think this is a question. I think your member of Kedarshan is going to ask a question, a controversial question on your Kedarshan, being Kedarshan. Aryan, go ahead.
Pratik, here you go. When we have all the clubs, why do you think we need Kedarshan? specifically for talents, if people don't go for club auditioning, why would they come to Kedarshan or perform when you ask them?
Okay, so talking about Kedarshan searching talents, there are many more talents other than dancing and singing. There are way more talents like Rubik's Cube, there's mimicking, which Kedarshan has showed before. There are many more talents, and we would like to discover more things. There's way much other, apart from clubs, people are different. Some people don't come out, but there are people who are exceptionally talented, and we want to find them more and more. We are very privileged to do that, and so Kedarshan, I guess we got the answer.
Why do we
That's
think? Why should we
not
think that Kedarshan has a special privilege for having as if it is for talents? Why can't it be recognized as a club, but is recognized as a committee? Why is so?
Because see, a club is a thing where there's a hierarchy. In Kedarshan, there's no particular hierarchy. We all work as a committee, and see, the difference between Kedarshan and other clubs is this thing. We find talents. We don't do a talent. We don't dance. We shoot the dance. We find the dance. So there should be someone who needs to understand what to shoot and what not to shoot to, and what to record. So I think it's important.
Like to
We are
add to this,
coordinated every club. We coordinate every club.
to add to this, like being a part of Kedarshan for 1 year and being a Kedarshan alumni for the last 1.5 year, obviously what he said about the hierarchy is right. It's Kedarshan is a committee because it's a college given baby to us. It's a college given product to us, and it is of course the youngest committee. And hierarchy wise, it is above the others because obviously it's a committee. When it comes to their domain and the performances, it is not only about scouting talent. Okay, honestly, if there's somebody who's talented and is not getting a chance, he has his own Instagram account, do shit and post. It is not only showcasing talents, but if you observe, Kedarshan is doing something original as well. Okay, there's something called a movie house that Kedarshan has. Okay, there's something called a gaming house, there's something called a laughter house, and then there's anime house. Okay, so Kedarshan is doing something original.
Yes.
They are not they are not only building on an idea which already existed or trying to take it forward. They have come up with original stuff, right? So that one thing I think we are all failing to acknowledge.
Yeah, I would like to just continue and just add few more points to what Manish said. The team which is working on Anime House, Laughter House, and Movie House has been working mad. And being a fourth year, I'm not able to give much time, but seeing these kids work or seeing these people work, it's very, very good. And I think it should be given much more importance, Kedarshan, because it's really, really talented. It is not given that importance as other committees. We are taken a bit light. I don't want to do that because I think Kedarshan deserves a lot more things. And we do original things. We don't just take others and post it. We are people who make it on our own and do it.
I agree with Pratik, and being a golden badge holder, Pratik, I can tell you, it is nobody else's responsibility to acknowledge us or to make us showcase. Okay, Kedarshan can come up and Kedarshan can showcase itself on its own.
Yes.
We don't need anybody's acknowledgement from the in and out of the council.
No.
Let's keep that in mind. And Kedarshan is like it's a very good committee, man. It has crazy potential. It's raring to go.
We, to be very, very honest, we work apart from council. We don't work for the council. We work apart from council. So that is why, and that is where we get ideas. Or I am not saying that in working in council don't get ideas, but we think working that way is more efficient for Kedarshan.
That is great.
Adding on to it, this Nate, as for personally, I do agree with the Manish and Pratik words as being the Kedarshan member. We don't make people believe what we are doing. We make people believe what we are. That's really a great part of Kedarshan. We really work very hard to grab certain things. I'm very much proud to be in this committee.
That's great. That is really great. Done. Osama, I think this question is really hard. I hope you answer this question as a member or the chosen club head right now. How do you justify like people outside the council or the outside the council or inside the council or non-council members talk that Mudra is only working with the OC and only works for the OC. How do you justify this?
I completely disagree to that point. I don't see OC's involvement anywhere uh, in the process in what Mudra works. Especially when I talk about online, we club heads are more than enough to organize and put things that we do. Talking about offline, we've had past experiences with OC when we had to rely on it. That's when we understood we can't completely rely on it. uh, a couple of times, me being a member of Mudra and performing, I knew, and also being the club head, I know what you see is a dance performance. You see a few moments, but we know the hustle behind it, right? We've had 3 days of non-stop performing, planning, choreographing, music, mixing, and everything that goes behind is our work. Everybody's work. Be it my club members, be it the club head, be it anyone, be it the people who come for flash mob who are non-members also. So it is up to me as a club head to take responsibility of whatever they do or whatever time they give to the club, or and in return, what are they getting? In return, if they get disappointment or the basic thing any dance club or anything, any art form wants is a proper speaker to work or dance on, a proper music uh, speaker. That's all, and that's it. And all we asked, we were heavily disappointed with that. The music wasn't audible at all, and the speaker just crashed in between. And I was answerable, or the then club heads were answerable to the people who put in efforts, 3 4 days of efforts of coming at 8 o'clock in the morning and going at 8 at night. So and people were making fun of them at that point. People who come, obviously, if they can't see, they'll make memes out of it, and that was not professional enough on their part. And when they had to take responsibility of things they had to, they did not. That was one thing that I realized, or which was very clear, that we can't completely rely on it. Yes, there are parts there are parts when in future we might need their help, but we can't completely rely on it. Is what I understood. So I completely disagree on this point that OC is Mudra comes under OC or Mudra works under OC. This is something I'm hearing for the first time, and I don't think it's true because OC is nowhere involved with how Mudra works. I don't
Well,
see OC anywhere.
that was it, guys. Your misconception is solved. The club head of Mudra has answered it. OC is being an organizing committee. That doesn't mean that Mudra's all stuff is handled by the OC. They have their own capability. The club heads can only organize themselves in a better way. Or it is not that they don't want OC, but they are thinking they need reliable, or they're not completely into OC. So that is what is given by the club head itself. So there's no more misconception or misunderstandings about the differences between the committee and the club. Alright, this was the particular individual questions of controversial. We're going with the group question now. According to the previous video that we had, the two more golden badge people, that is the president and the vice president, and the PR head was here. We asked them about the allegations that are put on the council. It may be the recruitment or inside things about the committees or the particular committee. They have simply denied it. Coming to you guys, being more experienced and a golden badge holder with a club head and the committee heads, what are your views on this allegations that are there on the council?
When it comes to allegations, like what kind of allegations exactly are we talking about?
What allegation?
People talk outside of the council, or I think in the badge holders also talk about the recruitment process or the committee's work of few committees. Like, who do you answer first?
See,
If you don't want to answer, it
coming
is
to
okay,
the
but it's just a question that's been asking for the
no, no, we'd love to answer it. Like we've woken up in the morning and we are sitting here. We better answer it, right? So when it comes to the recruitment, like I said previously in this video as well, humanly it is impossible for everybody to be perfect, right? So if somebody is coming and trying to tell you that my team or I am functioning perfectly, that's obviously bluffing. Okay. So nobody is dumb enough to understand or to accept that the opposite person is perfect or anything in the world is perfect. Okay. I mean, I can give you examples like scientists are not perfect. Number one, sports people are not perfect. Okay. So if somebody is coming and trying to tell you that my team or my committee or my council or my recruitment is perfect, they are bluffing. Nobody can be perfect humanly. Okay. like I said, we can only control the magnitude of how far away from the mark we are. Okay, I know we can't always be on point, but we can only control how far we are from the point, right? When talking specifically about recruitment, see, it is an open secret until last year that, I mean, see, how do these allegations start? There is something only when it starts. Right? There is no smoke without fire. Okay, because there is something only then these allegations start, right? Because first thing you are coming to do in KMIT is to pursue your academics and study. If people are not thinking about that and talking about something else, then there is something wrong. And sitting here just because I'm a bowling badge holder, I can't deny that. Okay, I can't be like my team is perfect. But one thing I can promise is that from today or from the time this video is released and in future, in whatever capacity I am in the council, this what the allegations which are there, we will not give them a chance to raise those allegations anymore. Whether it is regarding the recruitments or whether it is about the committees or the clubs. I promise that I will make full efforts to not give a chance to people to oppose these allegations on us. That is the only thing which is in my hand. In short, to answer that, yeah, like you're talking about recruitments, right? We will make sure, like at least the three of us holding badges, responsible council people, will make sure that the recruitments are 99%. Like nobody is perfect, right? So they are fair enough, and I promise we won't give anybody to put allegations on. That is all I can do for now.
You would want to add on or someone? Prateek?
I think I agree. I agree to it. There's nobody that's perfect, and everything has its own flaws. So it'll be unfair. It'll be completely false if someone denies it. There are human errors that happen. We can only avoid them or decrease their magnitude. That's all. We can do. Yeah.
I see, we completely agree with what Manish said. I just want to add that recruitment process sometimes shouldn't be like based on power. It should be based on votes, or it should be based on number of votes. It shouldn't be based on power. He's the powerful person. He should get all the votes. It should be based equally to others. It shouldn't be like favorites. It shouldn't go on favorites. That's what I want to say.
Yeah, the thing is clear. Like, I mean, what he means is, you are here or you should be here only if the team wants. That's simple.
Yeah.
Not because one or two people want you. Yeah. So no matter how good you are only as good as the team, right? You are not above the team. The team is everything. So you should be here only if the team wants. If that's not there, as long as that's not there, I don't see this council or any team in the world going anywhere.
So that way, you guys have, I think this question also, after answering, many people might have this clear understanding about what is happening or what has happened. Whatever comes out is not 100% right. 50% is wrong or 50% is right, is what you have answered it. And the way you answered it was clear about the recruitment. I think juniors will have a clear idea of what is happening. And about the rule that you have told, the power, the oaths. I have heard that for me, my own personal opinion, I think elected are more powerful than selected is what I've been telling and I've been preaching around also. So I think that is hopefully it happens after. I hope you guys are already in a big position or get into more bigger positions and start doing this stuff. And the last question in the controversial that I wanted to ask is about this is also comparing to the last video because they're the core members and you being core members is one thing. How is the inside elections or outside the elections? Inside elections, I mean by the core committee heads or the club heads that is forming. Club heads is okay, let's put it aside, or the core committees. Let's focus on the core committees because you guys from the core and the presidential elections. What are your opinions on that? Or instead of what do you feel regarding that stuff over the elections? Because when we asked Varsh or Prati, that telling student council, student president belongs to the students. So why can't students have that freedom of choosing the rightful leader? Is what we asked. What are your opinions?
So yeah, firstly, that question makes sense. Like this is not the first time we are on the receiving end of this question. Like why shouldn't everybody be given the right to vote? All of us agree, absolutely. Like there's no doubt. But then you need to consider the like the strength of the or the limitations of uh, our council, right? So now when you're asking everybody should be able to vote, we are talking about 4,000 people. Okay, across 4 years, close to 4,000 people. Okay, so you're asking us to make arrangements for 4,000 people to come and vote. Like, no doubt they have to. Like, we are looking forward to that. There are all the efforts that are being put in that direction. But you also need to understand it's impractical, right? Little bit, at least, it's impractical to arrange 4,000. Trust me, getting 400 people under one roof is also difficult, let alone 4,000. So here we are talking about the about making arrangements for 4,000 people coming and voting. That is a little bit difficult. However, one thing that can be done to correct this is that each person's voice can be heard, but he doesn't have to come and make the effort to vote. That we can do through the CRs. Okay. So one thing that has to be made sure by the election commission or whoever is taking the responsibility that the CR is truly representing all the 60 members. Okay, because he's being given the chance to vote, people need to make sure that he's truly representing the 60 members, right? So that way, all the voices of all the 60 is heard, and the vote is carried. Okay, so each of them don't have to go for physically and then cast their vote. Their voice is heard, the vote is also carried. So that way, I think it will be a little bit easy. But
Rather than adding to that point, I think it's of course tough, but when it comes to selecting a president or vice president, I think it should be person who is more experienced in that field to answer that question, or who has been under that influence to do the vote. As we answered the last question, it should be a team who wants it. It shouldn't be a person who the team doesn't want. So when the council is selecting the president, the council knows what it wants. So I guess the council should be given the authority to do a vote.
If you have seen the last video, the same question has been the same answer we have received from the president. So according to the last video, if you see it, there's a counter question asked for the same answer that I've asked. If you're thinking 60 people have a voice is known as CR, then the club who's there, like Pratik has told, that people in the council work as a team and team decides the leader. The council members are present in the class. They're also regarded as 60. Why are their votes duplicated? Why are they getting another free chance of voting? If they're regarded as 60 members in a class, let them be regarded as 60 itself. Let the CR take their opinion also and come up and vote. Here, if you do this, the council's first motto: the CRs are the base of the council, hence will be proved. This is what I asked. What will you justify for this?
So, there's of course a difference between a class member and a CR, which is CR has been elected by the class member. So there should be faith in them. People should have faith that he will convey the right person and the right vote.
Because the council members are also present in the class.
yeah, I mean, see, that part, yeah, it makes sense. When every council member is a class member as well, why not his CR vote on his behalf? Right? That makes a lot of sense. I don't see why. I know, right? Because,
I don't see why this is not working.
exactly. I know. I don't see why some random person who's recruited into a club or a committee. Oh, okay, he's talented, he's recruited. But why should he be given separate voting right? That I don't know. That like this makes a lot of sense. For me, I am for this idea only. Every badge holder is a class member first, and only outside the class he's a badge holder. So why not his class CR only vote on his behalf? That makes a lot of sense.
When we asked the question in the whole video, they have told that if they are there in the election commission, the first thing they're going to do this is what they have told, and you guys are also.
That does make sense. That does make sense. But as I said, for that, the CR foundation should be strong. So yeah, that makes
Also,
a
your
lot
CRs should be transparent enough for you to trust them.
I hope they do. So this was a controversial questions. I hope you had a great time. We had a great time being anchors for this show. We had real solid answers and we had a bit of fun. A lot of
Was
fun, I can tell.
Yeah,
What? How?
like I mean, right back at you. It was a blast having this meeting. It was a blast talking to you. It was a blast talking to these friends of mine formally in the meet. So after quite a while, and like to end it, like I whatever part of the meeting I was like whatever information I got. It was solely after I got to know the rules of this activity, rules of this round. So yeah, I had a great time and hope none of this becomes an issue. So yeah, I had a great time.
I think
I hope all of this was done within the rules. Like I was told it is, we have all the permissions for this. So yeah, I had a great time. I had a great time, Aryan, Sneh, both of them.
thank you very much.
I hope.
and
some of them-
kudos to Abhinay for doing this.
Thank you.
Great job, man.
Alright, guys, stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Abhinay at the Dhamma Club.
Okay, so guys, like I mean, Abhinay has never failed to give us great content, right? The only thing that we can give them back is showing them support. So like their YouTube channel.
Share whatever they put up.
Subscribe the channel.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you, Sneh.
Thank you.
Had a great time.
Thank you.
Thank you.